अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर्स, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब। आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल डॉक्टर तारिक RYK और मैं हूं डॉक्टर तारिक। डियर्स, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द pharmacokinetics, a principle known as the metabolism of the drug, that is the effect of the body on the drug. If you are new on my channel, subscribe my channel and on bell notification for upcoming new videos. Let's start today's topic. Dears, what is metabolism? Pharm terminology, if we see in the biological, what is metabolism? Metabolism basically a set of all chemical reactions that occur in human bodies. In a biological system, mean a human body, like animal body, plants body, all set of chemical reactions occur in the living system, a biological system. And we know metabolism also categorized into two types. One type, in this catabolism all those set of chemical reactions in which large molecules are broken down into smaller molecules, and other one is anabolism. In anabolism, it is inversely to the or reciprocal to the catabolism. In anabolism, the small molecules join together and form a large molecules. And we take if a simple example of the anabolism, like photosynthesis and formation of the proteins in the body, and formation of the enzymes, formation of the carbohydrates, and other is catabolism. In catabolism, we see the breakdown. In this, we see respiration, breathing, and also the digestion of the food. All these are the metabolism. And in this, we pharmacologically discuss what is metabolism. In this is the basically breakdown or digestion of the drug in the body. So metabolism basically is a chemical alteration of the drug by the effect of the body. So chemical alteration of drug by the effect of body. So what mean by body effects? Mean the body cells, body receptors that effect on the drug, and this the enzymes present in the body that cause breakdown of the drug. So and this we see two phases of the metabolism, known as the phase 1 metabolism and phase 2 metabolism. If we see phase 1, first of all we say phases. Phase 1 basically is all those chemical reactions in this the reduction or redox reaction occurs in the oxidation and reaction occurs, hydrolysis. All these reactions occur in the phase 1, such as reduction reaction mean introduction of the hydrogen and excretion of the oxygen. Oxidation mean collectively known as the redox reaction, and also the hydrolysis breakdown of chemicals in the presence of the water. The water acts as a medium. In the water, the things are broken down, such as food particles in the stomach. They are broken down in the presence of the water in the stomach. All these reactions are the reduction and phase 1 reaction. So drugs also are broken down or hydrolyzed in the body. Other phase, in this phase, the molecules are broken down in the water and in the medium, and that broken down are chemical reaction produce a polar molecules that carry some charges and that are fast reaction, and they are also in category of the first pass metabolism. First pass metabolism mean metabolism of the drug occur in the gut, GIT, or in the liver before reaching in the systemic circulation. So and phase 2 reaction, phase 2 metabolism. What is phase 2 metabolism? In phase 2 metabolism, coupling of the molecules occur, mean coupling and conjugation of the molecules occur, and of molecules and metabolites of the drug. This is the coupling molecules, coupling or conjugation. In phase 2, coupling and conjugation occurs. Coupling of what? Coupling of drug metabolites and other molecules, and these reaction drug metabolites and the body molecules and body molecules mean body's enzymes, and examples: acetylation mostly occur in the DNA assimilation. When DNA assembly occurs, the acetylation also occurs. Acyl group is added. Acylation and glucuronidation. All these are the reaction of the phase 2 metabolism. So we learned what is metabolism. Metabolism is basically the all set of chemical reaction occur in the biological system. Biological system may be human body, maybe plants, maybe animals, but in this we specifically learn about the human body. So we will refer about the human body. We will think about the human body. In human body, all set of chemical reactions occur, known as the collectively metabolism. Then metabolism are two types, maybe catabolism, maybe breakdown of the molecules into smaller molecules, and other is the anabolism, formation of the large molecules by the small molecules. But in this, drug metabolism mean breakdown of the drugs in the body to show its reaction or its effects. So it is of two phases. One phases are those in which the breakdown occurs by the reduction reaction, redox reaction, oxidation and hydrolysis, and other is the phase 2. In this, the conjugation or coupling of drug metabolites or drug molecules with the body molecules, they are combining. And now we see the first part and second pass. What is first pass metabolism and what is second pass metabolism? So first pass metabolism, first pass mean the metabolism or breakdown of the drug or activation of the drug before reaching in the systemic circulation. That activation occurs where? It's occur in the GIT, occurs in the liver before reaching its target organ. So what is the first pass? First part metabolism. First pass metabolism mean the activation or breakdown or affecting the drugs before reaching its target organs. Target organs mean if we take beta blockers, that occurs on effects act on the heart. So before reaching heart, the breakdown of these molecules occurs in the GIT and occurs in the liver. So activation of drug molecule, activation or metabolism, drug molecules at a specific site. This occurs due to this specific mean this occurs at the specific site. This is before in the targets. So that may be in the gut and liver. Mostly are these before reaching the portal venous circulation. So other is a second pass metabolism. So second pass metabolism. What is second pass metabolism? Second pass metabolism, the activation of drug at the site of the target tissue, at the site of the target point, target organs. So activation or metabolism of the drug or metabolism of drug at the site of target. So this is the second pass. First pass occurs before the target organ, and this occurs mostly in the gut and the liver before reaching in the target organ. And other is the second pass, activation or metabolism of the drug before, so at the site of the target organ. So today we learn about the metabolism of the drug, that is the pharmacokinetics principle. So metabolism, it is the chemical alteration of the drug that is affected by the body. So it has two phases, phase 1, phase 2, and also we learn about the first pass and second pass. So I think you have learned, and I think you are clear about this. And if you have any question about